minjani. So itawa kai continue na analytical geometry. Lanwa itawa kai nda question number 2. Like question number 2 by nike an equation of a circle. Ebi batsebako it's centered at M. So Shubutusha Sungu Lava go prove that the circle passes through the point N. So Lanwa Nkota prove akuri the point N passes, or the circle passes through the point M. It could substitute the coordinates of N onto the equation of the circle, and then compare what we get on the left hand side to what we already have on the right hand side. If Siringana, then we can conclude kuri the circle passes through the point N. So yeah. So I know that we can continue in the coordinates the N, E, 1, and -3. So that the substitute this equation of the circle. Therefore the go left hand side, then the substitute. So therefore, the circle passes through point N. So you should determine the equation of Pn, the tangent to the circle at N. So lanwani le xifaniso endlaku I ku yi fane yi kuma ti coordinate the center M, and then it tirhisa tona to calculate the gradient Mn, then radius ya circle ya hina, diameter ya circle ya hina yi ta va perpendicular to the tangent, which means hi nga teka gradient ya tangent hi multiply na gradient ya radius or diameter, then hi kota ku kuma gradient ya tangent ya hina, then it tirhisa coordinates the N ku kuma equation ya tangent. So ndamkombeta. So lano hi ta kuma the coordinates the circle, or the coordinates the center ya circle ya hina, which is M. So what we got out the coordinates, we have to complete the square. So that's one. So number B, it divided this coefficient, yeah, x is 2, then it goes 2 squared. So this is 4 divided by 2, which is 2 there. So you square it, and then you subtract that. And then we also do the same thing there. We divide this coefficient by 2, power 1. Then so it wana plus 1 squared minus 1 squared minus 1. So lanuani tasalana this one. It take this part, he is our right hand side, itakana this part isala right hand side, itakana this minus 8 isala ka right hand side. Tabana this one. Then I'll let 8 plus 4 plus 1. Then la noa ni tabana this. This is 2 squared plus y plus then la noa tabana 13. EV so la noa ni ni a general equation equation of a cycle. The general equation inangteka indela lewa. Let's call that A, then B, then all this R squared. So this shindeka gola no eku this brackets there has to be a minus, so it's x minus some value, just like this general equation. That's why la noa nte minus because minus la noa as far as chinchang chum kambe na la itala in such a way ya kuma the right coordinates ta center circle yai simabo because la noa if this was minus, then yeah, I'll just leave it as it is. Even that, if it was minus, then I take the way it was so. So la noa it coordinates the circle minus 2. It coordinates the center circle in negative 2 and negative 1. So in the log m is equals to negative 2, negative 1. So la noa as is a hint in the ya cool kama na log kota mishtizo kunto coordinates it. So la noa there is the coordinates mn there is the coordinates the center ya circle. It's a point on the cycle. So lishinga jendlago iku inga determine gradient ya radius ya ina de so la noa ne dago m radius times m tangent is equals to negative 1. Radius ya or the gradient ya radius ya ina aitiva kuri ilewa. So there is a minus there. Then ita substitute la noa. Then the gradient ya tangent e 3/2. And then there's a gradient lewani. Now the coordinates the n kuma the equation of the tangent. So lanwa there is an equation lewa. So it is one gradient the tangent delay coming coordinates the n, which is a point on the tangent. Elewa. So it is substitute. So lano anita kuma kuri na equation lewa. Look at itava which is 9/2. You can use the calculator to get that. So xin'wana lexi nga pfunaka ku olovisa xivutiso lexi hi nga xi endlaka B i ku draw circle lewa. Then you can see the point 1 and -3 is somewhere there. So you can just draw a tangent. And then radius ina itavatala. These two are perpendicular to each other. That's why you could take a gradient ya radius leyiwani yi multiply na gradient ya tangent ya hina, which is equals to -1. So that's why you could do the formula like radius ya and tangent ya hina the perpendicular to each other. And then the point N we could do it. So could draw a circle kuma center coordinates the center hina, the x-intercept hina, the y-intercept hina, which is very easy. La noa ka xivutiso number C vari calculate theta, the angle of inclination of the tangent, round off to 1 decimal place. So la noa ni valava kuma the angle theta. So la noa ni angle leva lava ku lewa. It's this angle, which is theta. No. So kuna formula leyi nga yi tirhisaka u kuma like the angle of inclination of a line leyi ngo swivona gradient lewa a gradient ya line leyi nga interested ka yona. So in this case a gradient ya tangent leya leyi ku nga 3/2. Then you take a tan inverse of this gradient. Le kunga le answer ya kona lo mutla ka calculator meta kuma 56.3 degrees. So this is the angle of inclination of the tangent. It has been rounded off to 1 decimal place. So, xivutiso number D shiri determine the coordinates of the point where the tangent into B intersects the x-axis. So, lanwa lexi va hi vutisaka xona i ku hi kuma the x-intercept of the equation of the tangent of the tangent. So, lanwa ni kuma the x-intercept by letting y be equal to 0. So la no one that go let y be equal to 0, then so the multiplier both sides e2, then sana 0 is sana 3x, then the x is equals to 3. So we dividing both sides by 3. Then the coordinates la coordinates ta la tangent ya hina intersect the x-axis e3 and 0. So must one ilano awala coordinates ta point lewa, which is just the x-intercept. So calculate the coordinates of the points where the circle with center M cuts the y-axis. So lanwa vari kumati y-intercept of the circle, or the points la circle ya hina yi katago the y-axis. So we do that by letting x be equal to 0. So lanwa nitago let x be equal to 0, then 0 then so la no ane kukuma these itafanya factorize this expression. So the term one is then y is equals to -4 y is equals to 2. So la no one the coordinates that the last layer here na intersect the y-axis is 0, 4 and 0 and 2. So yeah, look at our 18.